Guys, what's going on? It's Mark again, doing the second video like I promised. Usually it's the day after, but I got 2 minutes to spare for you guys. Hope you guys are doing great. This is a short preview video review of the 2014 GMC Sierra Denali 2500 6.6 liter Dirty Max. Wait a minute, hold on. Is this one the 3500 or is this one the 3500 Denali? I got them confused, so hold on. I don't know, whatever. This is a 2500. Pretty sure one of these is a 3500, the other one's a 2500. So on with the show. As you can see, the stance is a lot different. This used to be the truck that was bone stock. This used to be the one with the 5-spoke Duramax wheels on it, the aluminum wheels. Now what we did is what? We leveled it. We did a rough country, 2.5-inch rough country, or 2-inch rough country leveling kit, which always just utilizes new torsion keys up underneath that sucker, and rakes it out to a nice and level standpoint. So it looks a lot better, it looks tougher, and it can fit bigger and better wheel and tire setup underneath of it. But I say, and you say what? You ask what? And I say, but can you run wheels and tires without rubbing? The answer is no, you cannot without rubbing. These are 33 1250 20 mud terrain tire. For those of you who don't know the dimensions, 33 is the inches from top to the bottom ground. 12.5 is the distance across the top of the tire. 20 is the distance from the top, actually the rim's distance from the inside of the tire. So those are those dimensions. Now, metric and standard are a whole lot different. On a car, we'll go explain it on the car over here. We'll get back to your Duramax, don't worry. On the car, you have 275, 35, 18. The 275 is the distance on the top of the tire, is wide. The 35 is the little distance of the profile. The 18 is, once again, the inside of the circumference. So a lot different than when you're doing tire measurements, stuff like that. Mainly on big trucks when you're running a off-road tire and a big mud tire. So it does rub. Yes, it does. We trimmed it out beautifully to compensate for it. Now, does it rub? No, not anymore. Does not rub anymore. So a big, good, nice fit. And it looks stellar. It looks absolutely spectacular. Not too extreme, not too, it's just right. And we utilized a Maverick. These are a 20x10 fuel Maverick on a 33 1250 20-inch mud terrain tire. Aftermarket mirrors with beautiful LED lights inside. They look awesome, guys. Cab lights on top. You want me to start it up, you ask? No problem. Hold the button down. Oh yeah, she has a full exhaust with an MBRP muffler on that sucker. She sounds good, roaring down the road. You can shut it off. And honestly, it's an awesome truck. This is the cream of the crop when it comes to trucks, guys. Now you get the Dodge Laramie Longhorn and all that jazz. And as far as the GMC Chevrolet goes, everywhere, this is the cream of the crop. The Denali Duramax is the beast of all beasts. They're just like, you couldn't ask for more inside of a pickup truck. Let's go inside and check it out. Incorporated mirrors inside of the handles right there, or the mirrors. WeatherTech floor mats. My guy should have shined them a lot better. No, why are these still kind of dirty looking? Crap. Door sills are nice. Leather seats, no rips in the leather seats. Wood grain, backup camera, navigation, dual climate control. The miles on this bad boy are 131,107. Sunroof, rear navigation. Yeah, okay, guys, rear navigation. Your kids can watch the navigation and tell you where to turn. No more backseat drivers. Shit. Just kidding. My ADD is getting a little crazy, but anyways, it's got it all. You name it, this has it. Cooled seats, heated seats, BOSE sound system, power windows, automatic windows, window lock control, WeatherTech floors, wood grain in the steering wheel from the back seat, wood grain, Denali in the center. it's impeccable of a truck. It's an impeccable truck. Spray and bed liner. Original mud flaps I took off. I had the guys put them in the back here so you can use them if you want to use them down the road and rub like crazy. Backup camera. Yeah, I'm just going to go on with it all. You're just going to hear me complain about how everything is so spectacular on this thing. So it's an awesome truck. Hope you guys like the video. This is Mark signing out. You will see a better video of this truck coming here soon. How wide does it stick out? One of my viewers asked that. Maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches, I would say. How tall is it? Anthony, I'm 6 foot tall. This is the Anthony scale, okay? What's the Anthony scale, you ask? It's a scale to see how tall somebody is next to a truck. That way you can gauge what kind of truck you're buying. So I'm probably that much high from the truck. I don't know. It's pretty cool. Big shout out to all you guys out there. And a few other requests I had about, Mark, can you give me a shout out in the video? I hear you. Don't think I don't hear you. I hear you guys loud and clear. I just have a lot of requests and different people to give a shout out to. I forgot some of them, but I will do it soon. Thanks. Take care, guys. See ya. Bye.